guys, it's Caito Potato here! And basically today, so we know what's going on, current affairs. If you have not heard, look at the news. I cannot say the word because YouTube will demonetize me, okay? So basically, since this virus has been going around, I was thinking, what could be a really good makeup tutorial to kind of define the virus? Like if you saw it in person and you'd be like, 2 meters distance please, where's my mask and gloves? And I had a really good think. And I was on Instagram and I found my high school bully who was awful to me. Terrible person. Hate her. Not a nice person. Animal abuser. She, fortunately, has a very interesting aesthetic. And I was going to go in the 9 yards. I was going to dress up as her, but I do not have clothes from the early 90s, year 2000 range. I threw them all out when I was 5. But she's stuck in this weird, I don't know where. But I was thinking I should do a makeup tutorial based on my high school bully because she truly does remind me of this virus, okay? If there was a definition to this virus and if it had a look, it would definitely be this. So feel free, if you were ever bullied or if anyone ever hurt you in your life and you want to do a makeup tutorial, think of that bully, that one bully. Maybe if there's a couple of them. Look at them, look at their aesthetic and think, yeah, that is the definition of a virus right there. I have photos. I'm not going to show you what she looks like. I wish I could, because that would be really crack up. I'm going to try and make myself look as much like her as possible. So yeah, so let's basically get started! Yeah! Okay, so this idiot thinks it's a really good idea to shave all her eyebrows off. I was very surprised to see that she shaved all her eyebrows off. She has obviously let herself go. So we're going to get rid of my eyebrows because we want this to be as close to the thing as I possibly can get. Also, I wish I could do the hairstyle. Don't have any wigs. It's quite hard. Her hair is forever changing though, I can say that. She's the type of person that will still party while we're meant to be social distancing because she will not be able to stay away from alcohol and drugs. I don't have any makeup wipes anymore because everyone bought them, so I'm just going to be using Dettol disinfectant wipes for my face. Also, I need to say, if you shave your eyebrows off, that's fine. This is just what she does. My bully. The idiot. The virus. My virus. The virus that I happen to know does this. It does not mean that you are a nasty person, but she unfortunately shaves her eyebrows off. So shaving your eyebrows off, community, you're still great, but I'm just doing exactly what the photo says. Oh my god, I wish I could get the hair. It's like a bob that she's done in her kitchen sink. Okay, now I'm going to put foundation on. Now this foundation I think is a little bit darker than what I am. That's perfect because she can never she seems to never be able to match her skin colour to her natural skin cut. She always goes like a little bit darker. If you want to look like the virus, you gotta do what the virus does, you know? Yeah, one of her symptoms is using foundation that's way too dark for her and super duper cakey. So she does not use primer. God, no way. No. If I saw this virus come up to me in the flesh, no. Make sure to not blend it down your neck. I don't imagine she'd have a beauty blender. She would probably just use her hands. But since the virus is around, it's probably best to not touch your face. So that's what we're doing. I'm making sure not to get it in here because that never happens. Shape my face a little bit. Oh my god, how do I do her nose? She kind of looks like, it's like really small. It kind of looks like a snout. Oh my god, she's got like a block square forehead. She should honestly using this for advertising because I think it would really help her. Square my face. Trying to make it as square. Trying to make it like as square as possible. obviously can't change the side profile of my face because I would need to be a surgeon. Now I'm, oh shit, don't forget, oh my god, blush. Yeah, she really does not, yeah, blush is like a huge problem for her. God, I'm like almost bang on, it's actually crazy. What was so funny is like back in the day, she'd always talk about how she's got so much makeup and how she's so good at makeup and she's gonna be a makeup artist when she's older. Times have changed because this is exactly what she does. It's really strange. Okay, are you ready? Because it's as simple as this. I'm gonna go in with another eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using Osiris by Anastasia Beverly Hills. She definitely probably would have no idea what an Anastasia Beverly Hill is. I'm gonna use this shade. I hate this palette. I think this palette's really not that good. So it goes with theme. Pretty true to the picture, to be honest. So, oh my god, this is such an easy look, to be honest. Oh wait, she looks really greasy. How do I do that? How do I achieve that look? This makes me greasy for some reason. I don't know why. We're gonna use it though. We want to look greasy. Oh god, I hate that smell. She also loves lip gloss. Okay, I'm dipping into the black track. No, not for eyeliner, but for my eyebrows, okay? Alright, I need to have a bloody good gaze at what... Oh shit. She's also got it all in her eyeline, in her eyes. Okay, we'll quickly just do that. Oh my god, imagine this coming out to the club with you. Imagine you're just enjoying your night out with mates and then this comes over to you. Can I have a smoke? Oh, can I have, do you have any smokes? Can you get me a drink? God, it's actually too thick. Yeah, I look like the virus. Oh my god, anyone in New Zealand, do you remember Urban Angel? Oh my god, look that up. Okay, and then she has got like, I need to see the lip shape. She's got really little lips, like really small, like, and kind of like square. Oh, I can't help just going to a normal size. Oh, this is actually pretty good. I've surprised myself. She does have a bit of a sickly glow to her, so we're gonna add that. It actually just might be sweat, to be honest, like, but she's got that glow to her. But it kind of looks like I've been on a bender since Friday and it's Tuesday night and there's no one in the club and I've still got my makeup on since Wednesday, so it could be just that. Oh my god, this is like the final touch. Oh my god, I'm really excited. Okay, this has come along so nicely. Oh my god, that tastes so nice. Oh my god, I think this is the finished look. Doesn't take a lot to become the virus that is out getting everyone. God, I'm not far from the haircut, to be honest. Greasy, honey coloured hair. Oh my god, guys, so this is the finished look. In all seriousness, if you want to get this and actually have it in your system and hurt you, I would just stay indoors, to be honest. I would just self-isolate and just play the best game of go home, stay home, and actually win it and stay there for 4 weeks, okay? Stay at home, look after yourself, learn to cook on your own, do some art, do a makeup tutorial that looks like your bully that used to bully you and resemble the virus. We have to think creatively here. I cannot get over how much I look like her. It's actually bloody mental. So I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. Say hi to your mum for me if you can. Maybe just text her. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope to see you all again very soon. I should, because you should be inside. You should be waiting for my next upload. Turn the bell on. You've got nothing to do. Just truly. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye guys!